Today we're going to learn about zu clauses, which is when it's the German for like a to plus verb structure, such as I like to swim. And for these, you can either use zu, you can use zu, or you can use nothing. And we're going to talk about all of these. But first we're going to talk about nothing. Okay, first we're talking about when to use nothing to say a to plus verb clause. And when you use it is after a modal verb, such as wollen, mögen, and other modal verbs, such as the sentence, I want to swim, when you would just say, ich will schwimmen. You don't say, ich will zu schwimmen, because the modal verb takes care of that. So now we're moving on to our second part of the video, which is when we talk about when you use zu. So zu is used when the first part of the sentence can't stand by itself. For example,
I forgot to get my bag.
You can't just say, I forgot, because that doesn't make sense. So you use zu to connect the pieces. So you say, ich habe vergessen, meine Tasche zu holen. Meine Tasche, sorry. So when you have a separable prefix verb, such as ausmachen, the zu goes in between the prefix and the verb stem. So for example, if you were going to say,
I forgot to turn off my stove,
in German you would say,
ich habe vergessen, mein Herd auszumachen.
See how the zu is in between the prefix and the stem. Now we're moving on to our last part of the video, which is zu, and that is used in place of in order to. So for example, if you were going to say,
I'm going to school in order to learn.
In German you would say,
Ich gehe in die Schule, zu lernen.
The zu is used right here in place of in order to. And those are zu clauses. Thanks for joining us.